I'm Dave Neely from Denton, Texas in the United States. I'm just an ordinary guy. I have no background in business, finance, or economics. I just have a dream to support myself and my wife through trading the markets. I've been pursuing this dream for a little over 5 years now. I've been through a number of trading education programs, including one very large, well-known, and very expensive program. What I found is that there is some useful information. There's some information that, well, it doesn't quite meet the road. The theory doesn't quite pan out when you're trading real-time markets. Then there's some flat-out bunk, especially when it comes to options education. I had the privilege of being associated with Ron Neely starting about 2 years ago. Ron is just one of the outstanding instructors I've ever run across, but when it comes to options education, he really stands alone. He's taught professional as well as retail traders. He has a real passion for the subject. He's completely committed that all of his students understand the theory, the proper application of that theory when it comes to the strategies, choosing the right strategies for the opportunities found, how to continue through that trade in the most profitable manner, as far as adjusting morphs, or if just flat out getting out if that's what's called for. He, through his teaching, has provided me with the knowledge and the ability, the insight to become very profitable in up markets, down markets, sideways markets. My portfolio this year to date, this is towards the end of August 2009, I'm ahead 85%. That's total return on my portfolio, but I've only had about half of my available cash in the market at any one time. So to me, that's outstanding returns and much better than anything that I've gotten in the previous 5 years of trading. The one trade in particular is an example of what I've learned through Ron, Bank of America. His insight led me into that position in the first place. His teaching enabled me to build a sizable position as the market was turning. We started out as stock and selling covered calls to lower our overall cost basis. When it became appropriate, we switched our stock position to a leaps position. I'm now doing diagonals spreads at the appropriate time. And overall, I'm up 500% in that one position. And this is something that I just can't imagine myself accomplishing in what I had learned through other programs, like that one very expensive and well-known company that the first thing they told us in the basic options, you don't need to know the Greeks, they're not important. Well, Ron strongly disagrees with that, and now after being through his education programs, I disagree with it. You just don't successfully trade options without understanding the Greeks. And then there's synthetic positions, there's the various strategies, both long and short, how to morph them. Just a world of knowledge that I was never exposed to in these other trading programs. And I have Ron to thank, sincerely thank, for really getting me close to obtaining my dream. And I can see it happening really quick, and I have no concern over what the market does. I'm confident that I can handle any situation that comes up. I have my risk controlled, I have my profits locked in, and I can pick the right strategy for the current conditions. And again, thanks, Ron. I owe you a lot, and I hope this testimonial pays you back in some small way. Thanks again.